Are your chatbots overwhelmed, confused, and frustrating your users? Stop trying to build one giant bot that does everything badly. It's time to evolve. Welcome to Mastering Multi-Agent Orchestration. In this course, you'll step up from just building bots to becoming an AI organizational architect. You will learn how to conduct a symphony of specialized experts, connecting internal teams and external specialists to deliver one seamless, powerful user experience. Don't just build another bot. Build an intelligent team that scales. Watch the full course and revolutionize your approach to AI. Let's look at the evolution of digital assistants. Traditionally, we built the bot, a single monolithic entity trying to handle absolutely everything, from HR systems and inventory to technical support. But as you can see in the first panel, this old way creates an overworked, cracking robot. It becomes a jack of all trades, master of none, resulting in a confusing and poor user experience. The central problem is scaling. As shown in the middle, an overwhelmed orchestrator brain just can't distinguish between disparate requests accurately, leading to errors. The solution is the new way, multi-agent orchestration. Instead of relying on one giant generalist, we use an intelligent parent agent acting as the front door. It seamlessly coordinates a team of smaller, specialized experts, like a dedicated travel agent or IT password agent, ensuring the right task goes to the right expert for a faster, seamless user experience. Let's break down the mechanics of how a team of AI agents actually coordinates. It starts in the first panel with defining the team. Just like in a human office, every specialized agent needs a clear job description. The parent agent holds these definitions to know exactly who handles warranties, tech support, or billing. Panel 2 shows the smart handoff. When a user asks a specific question, like, is my Surface Pro under warranty? The parent agent uses generative AI to scan those descriptions, matches the request to the warranty agent, and seamlessly hands off the task. Crucially, in panel 3, we see how this avoids the repeat game. Unlike frustrating human transfers where you have to re-explain your issue, the parent agent passes the conversation context. The specialist receives the history and is instantly up to speed. Finally, panel 4 shows that passing context is a design choice. We balance a seamless experience with privacy, turning context sharing on for general information, but off to protect sensitive data like medical or financial records. Welcome to the child agent approach for building internal AI teams. Look at the first panel. Think of this structure like a single company all under one roof. Child agents are dependent components that live entirely inside the parent agent. They don't exist independently, so end users must always go through the parent agent first. Why use this setup? The middle panel explains that it's ideal for small teams because the agents share crucial processes like authentication and publishing. It allows for logical segmentation, slicing a massive knowledge domain into manageable, highly focused subdomains. On the right, we see this in action. A massive travel and expenses parent brain is split into specialized travel and expense children. You can even get more granular, subdividing expenses into policy and technical execution agents. Finally, this approach offers secure tool management. Sensitive tools like SharePoint data remain locked by default and are only unlocked when specifically referenced by a specialized child agent's instructions. Welcome to the connected agent approach for multi-agent orchestration. Think of this not as building internally, but as outsourcing to experts. Look at the first panel. Your parent agent acts as a hub, connecting to entirely independent agents already built by other departments, like HR or IT. These external agents have their own separate life cycles and settings. Why do this? Panel 2 shows it's about efficiency. It saves massive time and resources by leveraging existing work instead of rebuilding everything from scratch. You create a one-stop shop that integrates across departments and even different platforms. Panel 3 explains the connection process. It's like building a bridge. The target agent must first allow connections. Once visible, you connect and edit its description, so your orchestrator knows exactly when to call that external expert. But Panel 4 highlights the major caveat, loss of control. You are reliant on other teams. If the IT department changes or breaks their agent, your user experience is affected too. Success here requires significant organizational trust. Let's explore the hybrid strategy, which really is the best of both worlds for multi-agent orchestration. It begins with a core parent agent, like this employee helper. It's smart enough to handle basic questions about company mission or cafeteria menus directly. But you don't need to build everything yourself. As seen in Step 2, you can connect to existing experts. The parent outsources tasks to the robust IT help desk agent or the deeply experienced finance agent, requiring no new code. Sometimes, though, you need highly specialized, tightly integrated workflows. In Step 3, we build internal specialists, like a child agent, specifically for handling facilities tickets. The result is a seamless, unified interface. The user can ask about password resets, broken chairs, and expense reports all in one chat. The parent agent orchestrates everything behind the scenes. The user never sees the complex org chart. They just feel like they are having one knowledgeable conversation and get quick, accurate solutions. To conclude, the shift toward multi-agent orchestration represents maturity in conversational AI. We are moving away from the chaotic, monolithic model where uncoordinated specialization led to failure. Instead, we are embracing coordinated, specialized teams for better overall performance. This approach drives scalability and maintainability. As shown in the middle panel, if travel policies change, you only update the specific travel agent without fear of breaking other functions. Conversely, when connected external agents upgrade their backends, your system automatically benefits from those improvements. Regardless of whether you choose child agents, connected agents, or a hybrid approach, the goal remains the same, a seamless user experience. The parent agent hides the backend complexity to deliver a truly helpful interface. To succeed, designers must think like organizational architects, clearly defining roles, establishing communication through context passing, and strategically deciding when to build expertise in-house versus leveraging outside sources. Let's summarize Mastering Multi-Agent Orchestration. We've moved past the old way of chaotic monolithic bots. Instead, we use a central parent agent as the intelligent orchestrator. It relies on key mechanics like clear job descriptions and passing conversation context. The parent coordinates your internal team of dependent child agents, all under one roof, and also bridges to independent external experts in departments like IT or finance. By acting as an organizational architect and using this hybrid strategy, you build scalable solutions that deliver a seamless, unified user experience.